Hi everyone, this is Bidaskar Salam from Pace Media, and in this video I want to talk about website speed, web page speed. We are very concerned about page speed, and importance of page speed is getting higher and higher. There are two main reasons. First reason, customer satisfaction. Customers are very picky. The visitors now, they are very picky about the website they are visiting. There are tons of thousands of options available in the search engine like Google, Bing. So for example, I just search web designer in Chennai, so there are lots of options available here. If I go to any website of one of these, and if this website is not loaded fast like this within 10 seconds, then it will be irritating to wait for this web page to load. So then if it is not loaded fast within 10 seconds or before 30 seconds, then I will close this page and I will try another website. So no one will wait for your website to fully loaded if it takes longer. So fast web page is very important. Fast impression. Your web page speed is fast impression of any new visitors or any visitors. So to get a higher customer satisfaction, to higher conversion rate, page speed is very important. And second point, search engine optimization. Yes, page speed affects search engine optimization, so you have to improve your page speed to get more higher page ranking in search engines like Google. And there are many things that affects search engine optimization and page speed in concern, like the web hosting provider that you are using, PHP version, number of images or size of image you are using on your web page, number of plugins you are using in your WordPress account, WordPress installation, theme you are using, versions of your WordPress core, etc. So I will point out some measures that you can take of to improve your page speed. Here, web WP speed of like this is one of the CAC plugin that I just found out in WordPress repository. Here, PHP version is very important apart from the WordPress hosting services or web hosting service. In web hosting service, I have talked about traditional web hosting versus cloud hosting in my one of the previous videos. Cloud hosting is the best. If you have the technical know-how and the time to manage cloud hosting, then you can use cloud hosting service. If not, then seek some WordPress dedicated hosting providers like SiteGround, etc. And try to update your PHP version of your web hosting account to the latest as far as possible. In my one of the videos, in my previous videos about PHP version, I have talked about that the WordPress developers or other developers takes about 6 months to update their software to the latest version of PHP. So you give them some time and let this update your PHP version to the latest but one version. For example, latest version is PHP 7.4, then you can update to 7.3 like this, like in mine. Here mine is PHP 7.3 like this. And gzip comparison is very important, and database cleanup, things like this. Image comparison, there are many very good image comparison plugins available out there for WordPress. You can install one of them, and for file minification and group files, things like this, image lazy loading, database auto cleanup, things like this are available. There are many plugins available, or many premium plugins available, all-in-one plugins for these things. Lazy loading is very important. If your web page is a little longer, then lazy loading is very important. Otherwise, it will take very long time to load your page, so it will affect your page speed. Image comparison is important, and not only size comparison, but you have to try to use less image in your web page design. More number of greater the number of images, greater the number of server requests, number of requests that you send to the server, means slower page speed. So less number of image and smaller size of image means fast page loading. Cake, gzip comparison and cake is very important in your WordPress installation. Any one of the cake or plugin is needed to improve your website page speed. Here in speed optimization option, here there are some things available here. Cake system available. Group and minify. This is very important. Minification of CSS, JS, JavaScript, HTML, etc. This will reduce the server requests, number of server requests. So it will improve page speed. Preloading, prefacing, such things are available in premium version of premium plugins. If you have the budget, you can buy the premium or pro plugins, pro version of plugins. Such things are very good for page speed. Image comparison I have talked about. Database cleanup I have talked about. Now CDN, Cloud Delivery Network. Cloud Delivery Network or CDN, like Cloudflare, is very important to improve your website page speed. CDN is free. You can use CDN in most of the web hosting providers, and SiteGround has their own SiteGround cake system. If your website is hosted in SiteGround, then SiteGround is one of the most best WordPress web hosting providers. So it's okay. And if you're using SiteGround, if not, don't be concerned. You can use Cloudflare. These several steps that I have mentioned are the things that you need to improve your website page speed. They can be done manually, one by one in your web hosting provider, in the server, in the cPanel, or in this WordPress installation. But you can also do it in one of the all-in-one premium plugin. If you have the budget, I suggest you buy all-in-one premium plugin and improve your page speed. Yeah, as I have mentioned before, higher the page speed, higher the search ranking, higher the conversion rate, higher the customer satisfaction, and higher the success of your website or in your business. And I hope this short video is somewhat helpful in your web design and your business. And if you have any doubts or questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.